Good day, everyone. This is Forex with me live. Today, I'm here and I'm excited to share with you another great strategy that I've been trying to look out for and working with. And also, I want to share with you today. The strategy is a very, very good one and has been so profitable in this very market. Now, what is the strategy? I don't want to, I'm not going to take much of your time as regards to this. So, now this strategy is very good. As you can see, I don't have much indicator on my chart. I just use Bollinger Bands on top here. This is my Bollinger Bands. Then on my um, window indicator one, I use only RSI. But I'm calling this strategy double RSI. As you can see me flipping through, so I believe you will be guessing, oh, what is the market trying to do here? What is working around here? And on and on and on like that. So, what is the strategy? As you can see, the strategy is very simple. You pick RSI, the first one, you pick the second one, as you have seen on the screen, then you add your Bollinger. So let's quickly go to the settings. Now, this is a trade still running. How did I pick this trade? I picked this trade from this point. So what gave me the understanding to pick this trade is that my RSIs crosses above 50. And as they cross above 50, in fact, the signal has been on for, for quite a while now. As you can see, this should be my entry point here, but I wasn't there. This is where I met it. So, and since it has not reached oversold, and what is my oversold level? 60 and 40. So I have to take this trade from this point. So, and as you can see, my first target is it, which is this very support area. And as you can see, my Bollinger Bands giving me a level of support here on the bands. So, and my next target area is that if it didn't come back and it moves, probably if there is a volatile market, I'm coming to this next resistant area, around this area. But I'm picking the pitch here because this is the nearest level of support again. So that's my objection about this trade and why I took it using indicator. All right, so you can see, let's see, the market crosses above here. Now, discovered that market breaks and start running in an uptrend. That was why I took this trade. Now, how did I know the breakout? See the RSI, see the divergence here. One, two. This is the divergence here. And as you can see, market refused to break the previous low here, and which causes RSI to get back into the zone. Look at here, the RSI was outside zone. That means oversold here, and it get back here. But I have to wait until it cross above the 50 level, and after that, I enter the trade. That's my reasons for that. So that's that, as you can see. Now let's check another one. If I'm to sell, look at the structure here too. Market was oversold at this point. It was oversold at this point at 60. That was my oversold level. And as it breaks Bollinger Band, I'm expecting it to actually go up, but it couldn't. So, yeah. In fact, from this break point, I can take my entry from this break point because market is already below 50 after the oversold level. So, and as it pulls back here, it's going to, and mind you, my direction of the direction of the trends matter. You check the higher time frame to do that. For 5 minutes, the best higher time frame you can use is between 4 hours and 1 hour. So that's what I did here. But if you don't know price action, actually, just take it as simple as possible. Once the two RSI, if you don't know price action, this is another method. Once the two RSI crosses one each other, two below 50, let's look at it here. Where I bought, they crosses each other here at this point, and two, it is also above 50. Once it happens like that, you can just take two candlesticks, a very long one. I'm not talking about a short one. Just take two candlesticks and get out of the market. Use a good lot size that you feel will meet up with your account size. So, for instance, look at here too, a very good one. As it breaks above the 50 and two RSI crosses, mind you, that's a clause. First condition, two RSI cross. Second condition, it breaks above or below 50 in any of the markets uh, direction you are looking at. Just take your trade. So as you can see here now, if I want to buy here, I look at it that, oh, market has break both level and it is above, you know, 50. And what's the RSI? The first one is 30, the second one is 14. My 30, the 30 is the yellow, the 14 is the cyan that you're looking at on the screen. So that's that. Now let's look at it from this angle too. Once it breaks, you can see it crosses around zero and breaks also the 50 level, then your trade is out. No doubt about that. Now, before I could take this trade, I had to backtest a lot of time and do a lot of things. Now look at here. It breaks around this point, and this is not a level to sell. Why? Because it's still above 50. Then you can wait for it to break below 50 around here. Take your trade. Now, what is the Bollinger Band here? The Bollinger Band here is just a 50 level. It's a 50 level. I'm showing you a 50 level Bollinger Band here. And why did I choose that? I realized that in 5 minute time frame, the best moving average you can ever use that will correspond with higher time frame is 50. Now, if you want to catch market from 1 minute, then use 30. But for the best of the best trends and best moving average, whether you are using moving average, Bollinger Bands, or any trendy indicator for 5 minutes, I realize 50 is the best and it can work with every other indicator. So, as you can see here too, let's look at here. It breaks, 14 breaks, but the 30 did not follow. That's second one. Yeah, it was about to break the 50, but the range, this market was pulled back here. So this is a range market here. As you can see, it showed us a range market. So that it broke its back. So then the next one here too. Let's go about that. Let's go by. So as you can see, it breaks below as well, and it couldn't go beyond the Bollinger Bands. So this level now, all this level here, they are all range market. I'm giving you the analysis of price action with, indicator, because a lot of people look quite depressing. It happens to me as well sometimes before now. But when I was able to have the understanding of the price action and the indicators, I have to marry them together so that it will give me much more edge in the market. So let's look at cow for this one. you can see it couldn't break below, and it breaks above 50. And this is a very good point here. It breaks around 50 level, and everything came up, voila, and we started buying. So this is it. But if you want to spot a reversal in trend, please, as RSI is also good for divergence. Look at here now. Look at these 2 points where the market could not break each other. So you can see the RSI, especially the 14, you will see the divergence making a lower low here, while the market could not break above. So that shows us that okay, market might probably reverse. And the next highs after that was what? Was low, and RSI is also low, which means that we can as well take a sell trade from this market. So as you can see now, it breaks below and we are coming down. So what we need to do now is this. I want to show you the settings so that I won't take this video long. This is the settings, as simple as that. Bollinger Bands. Many people will think, this guy will not show us settings today as he's talking like this. So Bollinger Bands 50, and the deviation 2.50. So apply to close. Many times I don't like close. I use weighted close. I love that weighted close. I don't just use close, but for this, let's use close. And you can see the RSI is also at close, and level is just 50. And the pixel, choose the one you like. And for the second RSI, you can see I choose 60/40 so that I can have, let's check it out on the, see how I define that, because I was able to define that this one I make it tiny and tiny. Here I make it bold. So because of the two RSI I use, so that was what helped me. So let me show you how I did that. Here I mark up my level to level 4 on 50 on the 30 RSI, while on the second one I make it pixel 1. So at 60/40 level. So in this indicator, no lagging. That's one thing I love. Majority of settings demonstration has came out on YouTube, and I found out that majority of them are lagging indicator. So they will ask you to be zooming level. Why do you have to zoom? Why can't you zoom out and zoom in and still have the same, level of, how do I put it? Level of display, not no lagging. So this is it. So that's that about that. If you need any of my settings or complete strategy, please feel free to DM me on my Telegram channel. My own setup is not free. I have my complete setup I use personally to trade, and it doesn't mean this one is not useful. They are all useful. That's why I'm trying to explain to you. Especially my double MACD is very, very useful and it's still working perfectly. So if you need a DM me, feel free. Then for more, like, subscribe, comment, share it, and let's enjoy the morning together. All right, take care, guys. See you soon. Thank you.